Yesterday, based on complaint of Assistant Registrar Cooperative Societies, FIR has been registered in Mahamarti Police Station under the sections of Birds Act, KPID Act and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The complaint is given against one Shivanand Nilanawar through his firm Shivam Associates. He has been solicited deposits from public with the promise of 3% return per month. Prima facie, thousands of people have given him deposit in the form of hand loan. The person has been secured. Right now, as when we are speaking, the raids are being conducted in his offices as well as his residential premises. As prima facie, the magnitude runs into crores of rupees and definitely more than 50 crores of rupees. As per the Karnataka State Police guideline, this case will be transferred to CID. We have already written letter to Honorable DG and IGP. Meanwhile, till the time CID takes over the case, further investigation about all the players in this case and their modus of using these funds for different activities, investigation will continue till that time. Thank you.